jump in real quick here, guys, before we start our how-to video on the yoga flexor and tell you about our new, cool, tricky design for our travel sling. Make sure to jump to the end of the video if you want to learn a tutorial on how to put it on. Hey everybody, it's Janie, co-founder of Flobody. Today I'm going to take you through a how-to video on how to use your yoga flexor. If you already have one, this video is perfect for you, or if you're even just interested in buying one and seeing what it's all about. So first, it is so important, you guys, to go through your manual. We explain how to connect everything, including the locking mechanism, the connection piece, everything. So it's really important to look at that, and we also provide you a quick little workout to use too. In your box, everybody is going to have the Flobody bag. If you get the premium bundle, you're gonna see the ankle straps, which we're super excited for. We can't wait to bring you guys and show you guys these new workouts. They're gonna be so much fun. Now we're gonna take you through how to use the locking mechanism. This is so important, guys, because a lot of people get confused at first on how to use it, and for the longevity of it, we wanna make sure we're doing it right. So, you simply twist the locking mechanism, and then you wanna wiggle it out. You never wanna pull straight out. Here, when you open it, you'll see that there's a ring. You can go ahead and clip and unclip your resistance bands here. Always make sure to check that your resistance band is nice and steady. Taking that off, we'll go ahead and look here. On here, you'll see an end cap. You can twist it off like this, and then you're gonna see a 2-pound weight. So you can always take this out in case the resistance is too hard for you. It's an option to get a little bit of a lighter weight. And that just screws in, nice and simple. I'll connect this resistance band again, make sure it's sturdy, and then you just feed the resistance band back through, wiggling again, and always making sure to lock it. Never has to be locked super tight, just make sure that it's not wiggling around in there so it doesn't fall on your toes. All right guys, so before we move on to the Velcro connection, I wanna just mention that when you're having these handles out, make sure that you never bring it more than 6 inches. So if you have it here and try to tighten it, notice it's wobbly. That's not gonna last very long, and it's going to be a danger for you. So go ahead and make sure it's no more than 6 inches, and then tighten it up to use it for your handles. All right, moving on to your Velcro. I'm gonna change the view here so you guys can see it. We have a super durable Velcro, but just to ensure that it lasts as long as it possibly can for you guys, I always like to do this nice and slow, and my husband will greatly appreciate it. So go ahead and take both hands and just slowly work your way across. That's gonna ensure that both parts of the Velcro stay connected to your mat as long as they possibly can. So I've unrolled the yoga flexor for you guys, and now I want to talk about the durable zipper. So we've had it double sewn, but always take it nice and smooth. So I've unzipped it, and when you're lining it up to put it back on, because this is a weighted bar, always make sure to line those teeth up, and I always like to kind of brace the yoga flexor up just for a nice smooth transition back. Now that we've talked about the zipper, I want to talk to you about the connection piece. So, once again, we're going to use that locking mechanism to take out our handle weights. Go ahead and wiggle it. Remember, never pulling it. I'm going to unclip this resistance band. Set it here. And grab my other one. We're going to take those end caps off. Remember, if you want to take out the weight, you always can. I'm going to leave mine in. Take off here. And we're gonna add the connection piece. So always make sure to line up the threading. Makes it go a lot smoother. And if you're doing this in the middle of a workout, it's always easier to take it off the resistance band so you're not getting that tension. Trust me, the extra 2 seconds to take it off will be worth it. All right, and then go ahead and line it up, and you just twist, and it creates your straight bar. So you can clip them together and do your workout that way. Next, I'm going to show you a really cool trick on how to get your resistance band threaded through the bar quicker. So, if you're changing them out, if you need to switch to a different resistance, you can always just clip it on and slide it through. Takes 5 seconds. Not even. But if you're just getting your box, it's not going to be in there, so I always unzip mine completely. Let's take this band off here. And then I kind of tip it up and just feed it through. It's always good to eye it. And just like that, it's done. Seriously guys, it's a time saver. You'll thank me later. We're gonna finish up this video talking about our brand new ankle straps, which are fully adjustable and also double as wrist straps. I personally like to wear them on my palms. If you're receiving these in your Yoga Flexor Premium bundle, you're gonna find them in this bag. And in that bag, you're going to find an unmarked resistance band. These are the resistance bands that we recommend you using with the ankle straps. Always make sure to check that resistance band when you get them on. If you're buying just the ankle straps, we offer this nice slim, sleek look, and we recommend you using them with resistance bands only. So guys, we've taken you through this how-to video. We are so excited to have you join us, and we cannot wait to work out with you. So make sure to subscribe so you get all of our videos, and comment and let us know what you guys want to see more of. And we are so excited to have you a part of our community. Thanks guys. I told you guys this tutorial for the travel sling was coming. We're doing it in real time. It's going to be tricky, but you'll get the hang of it after you've done it a couple times. All right, so we're going to take the end. We're going to put it over our locking mechanism. Patience is the key here. I told you this was real time. All right, so I've got that one on. We're going to take the end that doesn't have the adjustment on it, and we're going to twist it around the yoga flexor. Then we're going to go ahead and come back. We're actually going to loosen it up so it's got a little bit more. We're going to put this end around the locking mechanism as well. There we go. Then what you're going to do is you're going to tighten this around, so you're going to pull it towards you to tighten up the band so it's nice and secure around. The end should be on, and you can adjust it however you want. Throw it on your back, whatever you want to do. Should be able to jump up and down with it, anything. Guys, it's new and improved, a little bit trickier, but I promise with a couple times you'll get the hang of it.